Welcome to the Cure My Diabetes YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about something very basic in our cooking, how we use fats, and specifically oil. So we all use oil every day in our cooking, and what I've got here is 100 grams of olive oil. Now, in all our diabetes cookbooks, we're also coming across using cashew paste. So I've got here 100 grams of cashew nuts. And as we've been cooking, we have been experimenting more and more with using a cashew paste instead of using an olive oil. And I also want to compare for you what's the nutritional difference. So 100 grams of olive oil is around 880 calories. Compare that with cashews, and cashews is around 550 calories. And what I've got is the nutritional spec sheet here. But the other big thing is that 100 grams of olive oil is also 100 grams of fat. It's pure fat. Whereas in cashew, 100 grams of cashews is only 44 grams of fat. So there's a lot of other stuff that you're getting with cashews as well. And what is that? So whereas olive oil is pretty much zero in all minerals, so calcium, iron, magnesium, sodium, zinc, copper, it's just not there. Cashew, on the other hand, has a lot of iron. It has magnesium, it has phosphorus, it has a lot of copper, it has manganese, and it has selenium. And selenium especially is very important because selenium, we don't get a lot of it outside of nuts, and selenium is really good for your nervous system. So even if you have worries about Parkinson's, selenium is good. Something else that has selenium is walnuts, for example. Both of them have vitamin K, both of them have vitamin B6. But it's this higher nutritional content, and also cashew has fiber. So if you're trying to lose weight, or if you're trying to eat less calories, you could take 5 tablespoons of olive oil and it would go through, wouldn't fill you at all. But 5 tablespoons of cashew nuts would be much more filling. And of course you've got the fiber. So let's talk about using cashew paste and using it in traditional Indian foods. So what I've got here is a butter chicken made in our Cure My Diabetes kitchen. And what we do here is instead of using any oil or butter, we actually put in cashew paste, just a little bit to give it the richness. And fat is important. I'm not about being fat free. Our body does need fat, protein, carbohydrate. We need all three. So fat's important. But can it be as healthy as possible? And so here we've got the butter chicken that is made using a cashew paste, and it tastes great, by the way. And another classic which we constantly R&D with is our Kaali Daal. And again, this Kaali Daal is made using cashew paste, and it comes out like the real thing, but it's actually oil free. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more educational videos of how to eat better, and hope to a better nutritious life for you.